Is it still a good idea to open up a repair business in 2025? The short answer is as the years go by, repairs become more expensive and less accessible. If you want to get a really good job done and you want to provide someone an excellent service, you have to provide them with an original part. The problem is that Apple sells it for this price. You are not going to get away with fixing a phone correctly for a cheap price. Unlike any business, doing one skill alone is not going to be enough. You got to pick up a handful of skills if you want to succeed in any business in today's world. Learning how to fix phones is a great side hustle, but it makes it really hard to succeed if all you know how to do is repair.